Hello and welcome to this edition of Online Jurid Shows, where we'll show you how to rotate an image to the correct orientation using the GIMP software. Once you have it downloaded, let's begin. You go to File, Open, and find the image somewhere on your computer. If it's in the desktop, or if it's in your Pictures folder, or Photos, wherever it is, you need to find it. And once you do, you click on it, and it'll show the thumbnail right here. This is already correctly sized to the 1920 pixels on the longest side. I will then click Open. As you can see, it is on its side. We will then go to Image, Transform, and then rotate appropriately, in this case counterclockwise. It is now correct. I will then go to File, and you can either say Overwrite the image or Export As. They both do the same thing. This one just simply saves it back to where you originally found it. It then gives you the option of JPEG, quality 100%, leave the rest of it alone, click on Export. It then saves the file back to the exact place right here. It then saves it back to the exact place where you opened it from. You can then use that image to upload to Online Jurid Shows. When you're done, File, Close View, and it'll ask you to save the changes, and you thought you already did. Go ahead and discard the changes because we've already saved it. And that's it. Alright, good luck. Hi, as a quick update to this video, I want to point out that here at the bottom it says that the image demo is 27.6 megabytes. That seems pretty huge, and especially since we say under 4 megabytes. Also it says 50% of the image, because you're saying, well, that's not the full size, but it's showing only 50%. You can then change that to be bigger or larger depending on whatever. However, the 27.6 megabytes or whatever it says is pretty big. That's not the actual image size. If you go and find your image on your computer, you will see, if you go to the properties, you'll see that the size on the hard drive is actually, in this case, 1.76 megabytes. Much smaller and less than the 4 megabyte limit. The reason is, in the GIMP software, it's looking at it differently, whereas the file size on the computer, after it's been saved as a JPEG, it becomes a different file. And that's the reason why there is a big discrepancy there. So no need to worry about this giant number here saying 27 or some huge megabyte. Alright, that's it.